Want to glow up from the inside out? Imagine waking up with glass skin, healthy thick hair, and a naturally slim, energized body, just by adding a few delicious drinks to your routine. In today's video, I'm sharing 5 glow-up drinks that will transform your skin, hair, and health. Trust me, these drinks are game changers. So grab a glass, and let's glow. First one, I like to call this drink as Green Goddess Smoothie. If you want thicker, shinier hair, this smoothie is a must. Packed with spinach, chia seeds, and yogurt. It's rich in biotin, protein, and omega-3s. Everything your hair loves. Second drink, Golden Glow Turmeric Latte. Say goodbye to dull skin. This warm, cozy latte is full of turmeric and ginger, which help brighten skin, reduce inflammation, and improve digestion for that natural radiance. All you need for this recipe is turmeric, cinnamon, ginger, almond milk, and honey. Third drink, Hydration Glow Water. This simple detox water hydrates, flushes toxins, and keeps your skin clear. Lemon and cucumber refresh you, while chia seeds give you fiber to support weight loss. The recipe for Hydration Glow Water: cucumber, lemon, mint, chia seeds, and water. Fourth drink, Pink Beauty Detox Juice. Loaded with antioxidants from blueberries, strawberries, and beetroots, this juice fights breakouts, evens out skin tone, and promotes a natural glow. Recipe: blueberries, strawberries, beetroot, and coconut water. And the fifth and last drink, Mango Citrus Glow Juice. This drink is a vitamin C powerhouse for bright, radiant skin and a healthy body. Mango and orange are loaded with antioxidants that fight dullness, while ginger and lemon boost digestion and detox your system. It's the perfect mix of sweet, sour, and refreshing. Ingredients include fresh mango, orange juice, ginger, dull lemon, and water. And there you have it, 5 glow-up drinks to help you look and feel your best. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more glow-up tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Until next time, stay glowing. Bye bye, love you all.